Hello people and welcome back to the channel. As you know, I have decided to move with data analytics. So this is our first day to start our journey as a data analyst, and the first tool that I have decided to move forward. And from everywhere everyone is telling to start with Excel, so we have start with Excel. And I have been doing some basic prompting, like from the last video, like make me a 7 days roadmap and how fast a person can do or learn Excel. Again, I am repeating, to not to master but to learn or understand, uh, like to get a working proficiency, and not to master. I'll make that clear. So I have listed down, like what are the relevant skill that a data analyst needed to learn in Excel. That's the prompt I have put inside ChatGPT, and it has written down me all the skills that a data analyst needed. And I have combined that skill with the roadmap that I have asked before, the precise 7 days roadmap, and asked GPT to bifurcate all the skills in those 6 days. And it has done the same, like add those skills and bifurcate into the 7 days roadmap, where I can learn each skill or a certain number of skill on day one and day two. So that's what ChatGPT has done. Like on day one, like Excel basic and navigation. Day two, like logical functions, that is if, average. After that, date function. Yeah. Also, like today, year, month, and all. And on day four, like lookups. And after that, aggregate function like min max, and pivot table on the 6 days, like pivot table and charts. And on 7th day, that is the most crucial, to check whether you have learned everything that you have done on 6 days. That will be the project. And another bonus tips that ChatGPT provide is like online Excel labs where you can practice, but we won't be practicing on labs. We will be practicing on the Excel itself. And I have prompted on GPT, like to make me a table of that roadmap, and ChatGPT has given me this wonderful table. It all depends on the prompt that you have put in. So I have put a proper prompt that GPT understand, and it has provided me with this table where it is easy for me to understand. And again, I won't be providing this table. You have to do it on your own. That way you will learn to prompting as well. So I have just copied the what I have to learn and put in a prompt, like teach me this, and just copy pasted it. And GPT told me how to do it, like what to learn on which day, the formula that to use, how to use the formula, where to put, and what are the use cases. Like that will be very beneficial for us if we didn't understand anything. And yeah, after that I have started the practice. But as we I have first saw all those videos, I haven't jumped to all this, directly the conclusion, and everybody told that do this. So to start Excel, like we need a data set, and to get a data set I have directly moved to Kaggle to search for a smaller and a good data set to work on. And I've been navigating through Kaggle. Again, people, I need to clarify one thing, that I have not jumped to directly the conclusions to how to perform or how to use certain tools. Firstly, I have watched certain videos, like how to do this, do some research as well, get a basic understanding of the thing. And then when I have to perform hands-on, then I have started to uh, do these things. Yeah, you got this. I haven't directly jumped on like prompting on chat gpt. Firstly, I've done a thorough research, like how people do it, and after that I will try it on my own. Okay. So like here I have got a good data set of Instagram data. It is a small data set, so I'll be just downloading it and put it in into Excel. Yeah. So this is the data set that I have downloaded from Kaggle. and let's just reframe it properly, like align it. Yeah, so this is what I have saw from the videos as well, because how will I know to do such things? Yeah, so the basic understandings are all run from YouTube. Like, I haven't learned it firsthand. I watch all YouTube videos first, and after that ask chat gpt, like get 2 point of references, and then start doing it on my own. Okay. Yo, so I have converted it into table and started performing all those relevant things that ChatGPT has provided in a table. So like find a total likes or average comment, yeah, max, min functions. Uh, so what I have comprised on day one, all those functions and table I have put it in a chart, and then start using that on this data set. So that's the way I have started practicing it. And like I have completed all the functions that I have to learn on the day one. Yeah. Yeah, so I will be uploading all the roadmap of 6 days, 1 day each, in form of shorts, where I will conclude all the work that I have done on each respective day in the video. The main purpose of uploading these shorts is to give people a reference that everybody watch video on YouTube, like a whole 6 hours, 7 hours video. Like the people they taught how to do certain things in Excel. Also, I have watched all the videos the same, but how to implement it, how to execute it, this is what I have covered in the video, where people can take reference from the video and can perform it on their own as well. So I'll be uploading all the relevant work that I have done in the breakdown of this roadmap of 6 days. And after and on the 7th day I will be covering a real world project as well. So thank you so much people for staying this long in the video, and make sure to drop a comment in the comment section and tell your views about the video, and how I can grow in this field as well, or what are your thoughts on this, and about the journey. Is this decision I have taken is right or wrong, or will there be any job of data analyst in the future, or there will be a decline? Whatever you think, please give a feedback or give your thoughts in the comment section. That will be appreciated. Thank you so much.